I asked the handyman how much he would charge to install the ceiling medallion, and he said $100. So I decided to just hang it myself. The simplest way would have been to glue it to the ceiling, but this medallion was just too heavy for it to be held in place by just glue. So I needed to attach it with screws or nails as well, but it was too heavy and large for me to hold it up with just one hand while trying to screw it into place all by myself. Then I found out that I could use one of these support rods. So here's how I installed the ceiling medallion in just a matter of minutes. This support pole or rod cost less than half of what the handyman was going to charge me. One thing to note, the bottom foot pad of this support rod kept coming off, so I'm trying to snap it back on. That's not so bad considering that it was one of the least expensive ones I could find, and it worked just fine otherwise. Here I'm lowering the pole just a little bit so that I can readjust the position of the medallion so that the hole in the medallion is better aligned with the electrical box. I went crazy with the nail gun. I don't think I needed to put so many nails in it. But it's also because I didn't use any construction glue. And here's how I center the medallion over the electrical box. It's not centered very well, but oh well, it'll do. Here's a close-up of all the nails that I put in, all along the very edge of the medallion. All that's left to do is to caulk around the edge of the medallion where it's touching the ceiling. This is how you raise the pole. To lower it, you press up on this tab and just push down on the pole with your hand.